What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment card on Shopify. And let me just clarify what exactly I meant. For your Shopify subscription, you have to put a card, or let's say add a card to your Shopify account so that they can charge you monthly for the subscription. And if you have a card there and you want to change it, then I'm going to show you how to change that, right? Basically that. So how do you do that? Once you're inside the dashboard, click your settings here on the lower left hand side, and on this section here you want to go to billing. Now once you're on the billing, you will see your current card, and in order to change that card, you want to go ahead and click on the pencil icon. And as you can see, I have one card there and it says primary, and that's why. So you can go ahead and you can edit this section, and once you edit it, you want to go ahead and either add a payment method, which is going to allow you to add a new card, or you can just simply click three dots and click on replace. If I click on replace, I'll be able to fill in a new card details here, and then it will replace the current card for me. So that's how you change it. But if you want to add another payment method, just simple add it, and you will be able to just simple add, for example, the PayPal, as you can see right here. So you can add PayPal as a second payment method, right? And that PayPal could also be tied to a current credit card that you have, or debit card, whichever one, right? So you can choose between. But if you want to change your card, that's how you do it. You go to your billing, you click the three dots, you click replace, you enter that new card, and you'll be able to replace the current one that you have. But that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.